Good morning, children. So, this is the seventh chapter, Weather, Climate and Adaptation of Animals to Climate. Today is the seventh part of the same chapter. Children, as we have been talking about the tropical rainforest region, so here we found that some of the countries where this tropical rainforest was found were India, Malaysia, Indonesia, Brazil, Republic of Congo, Kenya, Uganda, and Nigeria. So these are some of the countries which experience this type of climate. Here you can see red-eyed frog. So these frogs, as they are found in this type of region. Because of the continuous warmth and the rain, this region supports wide variety of plants and animals. So here a bird named toucan is often found over here, which has a bright colored beak which is long. The major type of animals which are living in these tropical rainforests are monkey, apes, gorillas, tigers, elephants, leopards, lizards, snake, birds, and insects also. Here, this is a type of a parakeet which is found over here. These are New World monkeys. This is a carnivorous animal which has stripes on its body. They are also found in this region. The climatic conditions in the rainforest are highly suitable for supporting an enormous number of variety of animals. Here we have a special type of monkeys which are also found over here in these areas, which are said to be macaws. Many tropical animals have the sensitive hearing, sharp eyesight. They have thick skin and the skin color helps them to camouflage by blending with the surroundings. These are some of the special characteristics which are found in these animals who exhibit either who live over here. They exist here. This is to protect these animals from the predators. For example, we have big cats which consist of the lions and the tigers, which have thick skin and have sensitive hearing. The lion-tailed macaw, also called beard ape, which live in the rainforest of Western Ghats, it is most outstanding feature is the silver white mane, which surrounds the head from the cheeks to checks down to its chin. So this is the special characteristic of these lion-tailed monkeys, which are said to be macaw. Here you can see the picture of this macaw, and these are also carnivores. It is a good climber and spends a major part of its life on the tree. It feeds mainly on the fruits, also eats seeds, young leaves, stems, flowers, bud of the plant, and this beard ape also search for insects under the bark of the trees. That means these monkeys, they are also carnivore in nature. That means these are omnivores. They feed on both. Since it is able to get sufficient food on the tree, these monkeys, they rarely come down on the ground. Another well-known animal which is known in this area of Indian tropical rainforest is the elephant, which has adapted to the conditions of the rainforest in mainly remarkable ways. And I feel, children, all of you are familiar with this animal. It uses its trunk as its nose, because of which it has a strong sense of smell. The trunk is also used by it for picking up the food. Its tusk has a modified teeth. These can tear the bark of the trees that elephant loves to eat. So the elephants will be able to handle the competition for food rather well. The larger ear of the elephant helps it to hear even very soft sound. They also keep the elephant cool in the hot and humid climate than your rainforest. So children, today we discussed about the animals which were found in the rainforest region. We have already discussed about the red-eyed frogs which have the sticky pads. We talked about the toucans which are the colorful birds, and then we talked about the elephant and the macaw. After this, children, these are the exercises, that is your exercise question number 6 of your test book, where the characteristics of the animal were given and you were supposed to get the adaptation on the basis of these characteristics of the animal. So here we have diets heavy on the fruit is for the characteristic of the tropical rainforest. White fur, polar region. Needs to migrate, polar region. Loud voice, tropical rainforest. Sticky pads on the feet is for the tropical rainforest. Layer of fats under the skin, polar region. Wide and large paws, polar region. Bright colors, tropical rainforest. Strong tail, tropical rainforest. Long and large beak is again a characteristic of a tropical rainforest. So children, with this we finish off with the chapter, and just now I will also tell you about the project that is given to you for your summer vacation. Already we have discussed that in detail in the class, but I am just telling you again for your reference. So here you can see the figure of fertilization. Okay, this is for your reference. Apart from this, I have already told you the project is from your chapter number 12, that is reproduction in plant. Okay, you can refer page number 138 and refer page number 137. Page number 137 has a figure 12.9 and 138 figure 12.11. So these two figures are there for your reference. So once again I am telling you what you have to do. You have to present all the reproductive parts of the flower with the help of paper craft. That means any of the craft material that is there with you, you can use it and you can show the reproductive parts of a flower. You can take the reference of the figure that is given over here in the slide, as well as the reference of the figures which are given in your test book, which I told you for the reference. Then you have to write the function of each of the reproductive part of the flower. So children, already we have discussed which all parts you have to mention, what functions you have to write for these. Hope so that you have understood with the topic. Bye bye. Thank you.